गुरु न माने तो गुण नहीं आवे। कबीरा कबीरा सर से टले भला, मोर सर से टले भला। ये कबीरा कुआं एक है, ये कबीरा कुआं एक है। और पानी भरे अनेक, और पानी भरे फकीर कबीरा, अनहद दोनों टपे, शोभा को नाम फकीर कबीरा। कबीरा हद टपे तो औलिया और बेहद टपे तो पीर हद हद टपे तो औलिया और बेहद टपे तो पीर हद अनहद दोनों टपे शोभा को नाम फकीर कबीरा हद अनहद दोनों टपे शोभा को नाम फकीर कबीरा हद टपे सो औलिया और बेहद टपे सो पीर हद टपे सो औलिया और बेहद टपे सो पीर हद अनहद दोनों टपे शोभा को नाम फकीर कबीरा हद अनहद दोनों टपे शोभा को नाम फकीर कबीरा हद दोनों टपे शोभा को नाम फकीर कबीरा हद अनहद दोनों टपे शोभा को नाम फकीर कबीरा हद अनहद दोनों टपे शोभा को नाम फकीर कबीरा को नाम फकीर कबीरा को नाम फकीर कबीरा को नाम फकीर कबीरा को नाम फकीर कबीरा
Hello and welcome back to India Post Live, India's first live news conversation by Portal. I'm Hisyang Bhutia. Well, the band I have with me today in the studio needs no introduction. They have been churning out hues of blues, folk, funk, rock and jazz along with a dash of Indian classical for more than a decade now. Well, without further ado, I would like to introduce the members of the band, Mrigya, Gyan Singh, Jaktinder Singh and Karan Sharma. Welcome to India Post Live, guys. I'm also joined on Google Hangout by Ravi. Ravi is calling from Imphal. Hi, Ravi. I also have
Hi.
I also have Sumit from Noida. Hi, Sumit.
Hi Sumit.
And Azma from Mumbai.
Hello.
Hi, Azma. Okay. So, Gyan, my first question to you. You have been with the band since the very inception in 1999. So, tell us about journey of Mrigya.
Yeah, it's a great journey. We, all of us, the founder members, we were from the different band initially. And so we were playing like me, Sharad, Rajat, we were a part of Parikrama.
Yeah.
Then Neil was part of Orange Street. Then Sachin Kapoor was part of Warlock. So, and same time me and Sharad, we are from classical background, Indian classical background. So, we were sort of a little bit bored playing of, rock numbers. And so we thought, to create something new. So that's how we've, tried to create this sort of music.
Yeah.
And then slowly, when we started, we played more and more shows. Then we thought, to keep our, ear, eyes, everything open to collaborate with, the genre, which from our side it will gel for sure. So that's how we made this thing, and we tried to, explore more and more things, and it's coming nice,
Yeah. And Jaktinder, you just recently joined the band, if I'm not wrong, last year.
Yeah,
Right?
I'm very young guy, but it's a great opportunity for me.
Yeah.
I'm just 23, so it's a big opportunity for me. Like,
So how do you feel about playing with these big guys and on a big stage, and how do you feel about yourself?
they all are like my ustads and my big brothers. So it's a great team. I'm the part of this band. It's a pleasure to me.
And Karan, you've been with the band for quite some time now, so, and you guys have played on various stages. We talk about in India, abroad. So, what is the success behind this band?
Well, I think it's just the way we all interact with each other. We enjoy whatever input is given by individual members of the band, and we try to make the music. I would say it's pretty non-commercial, seeing the circumstances right now. But our main importance, the main importance given is the music and the way we gel together.
So, how would you define your music? What makes Mrigya different from the rest of the band that we see in India today?
The first could be the individual players in the band, how their expertise in their own individual instruments.
We guys are very open to all kind of music. You know, whatever we can.
So you don't mind
learn.
experimenting with?
Yeah.
No, because everybody is listening to multiple genres and
yeah,
taking
of
their
course.
influences from somewhere or the other.
And I'm sure if it's very hard to stick to one genre per se, you'll have to, I think, keep on.
Yeah, and it's a same time it's a learning process also for us. You know,
Yeah.
doing new things, trying out new things.
Yeah.
That's our main motto. Yeah.
That's nice. Okay, I'm joined by Ravi. Ravi here is a big fan of Mrigya. Hi, Ravi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How about yourself?
I'm good too. So, Ravi, tell us. I mean, do you listen to Mrigya, right? You're a big fan of Mrigya.
Well, I've heard about this bunch of great musicians from Delhi with different backgrounds, and I heard them sometime way back in 2001. I think they had gone for a performance in London. It's a place called South Bank Centre. I'm not sure if I'm correct with the place. A friend of mine had videoed them and showed it to me, and I was pretty surprised that Delhi has come up with some new element in the the musician circle. And I think these guys are doing a great job.
Okay, Ravi himself, he is a part of the band, part of a band, if I'm not wrong, Ravi.
I've been part of. I would love to start off with Cognac in Calcutta way back in 1999. My friends whom I used to play along with, they are Fender artists today in India. To name a few, it's Rohan Ganguly, who plays with Saturday Night Blues Band. He jams along with Ehsan Nurani and the likes, Willie Walang and so on. Then I had another friend by the name of Azhar Junaid. He has gone solo and he has been endorsed by Gibson. So he is also doing very, very well. He has come out with his solo album by the name of What Color Is Your Raindrop? I think you guys should try it out. It's a lovely, very serene album. So that's something that has come out very well, especially from an Indian musician.
Okay, I think we should listen to that. Yeah.
You guys have to try this out. I
Yeah.
really suggest this album.
Yeah,
And
we
then, so coming back to Mrigya, I think I really love this musicians. It's a huge band and definitely has many instruments, and it's a very nice combination. It's world music, I would say. I would define them as a world music. Yeah.
Yeah, world
Thanks.
music.
Thanks.
Thank you, Ravi. We'll just get back to you, Ravi. Can I have Asma?
Certainly.
Hi there.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, she has a guitar at the background. Do you play the guitar?
No, that is my Masi's guitar. I don't play it. I started to learn, but I gave up because
Okay.
it's really difficult. So the person who is sitting with guitar, I have like high regards for him.
Never mind, never mind. I tried that too but I failed miserably and I never tried. And so, Asma, tell us, what do you feel about Mrigya's music?
I've just read about them and I got to know that they created history by winning the Edinburgh some award in Edinburgh.
Yeah, Herald Angel Award.
They got 5 rating.
Yeah, 5-star rating.
Yeah, so I mean, I have a question here. How that idea came to form a band in a country like India, where we like, I'm calling myself in that genre, where we people follow Hindi music only.
No, we guys, the former members, we were already, doing music with the professional bands like Parikrama, Orange Street during that time. But yeah, as you know, it's more than a band. We are like a friend. So as
But
a
what
friend.
is that thing that strike you? Like I have to create a band, or we have to create a band.
No, because we were bored, playing covers, rock covers. So we thought, we should try something new, which will be like our own sort of music. So, like me and the violin player Sharat Srivastava, we belongs to Indian classical music, and another friend Neil is a bass player, rock background. Another Sachin Kapoor and Rajat Kakkar, they are also from rock background. So we thought, to try something else, So we sat, we practiced, we tried to create something new, which, I mean, fortunate people
Yeah, people, I think, they love the music.
Like, like the band culture in India is not so popular.
No, nowadays it's pretty much famous, The band culture, everything, everywhere, I think. in
Yeah.
I slightly disagree on that.
Okay, she doesn't agree on that. Okay, thank you, Asma. We'll get back to you, Asma. Can I have Sumit?
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Sumit.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
So, Sumit, please go ahead with your comments or question.
Okay, first of all, I really would like to compliment you guys on whatever you guys were playing in the beginning. I've
Thank
heard
you.
a couple of really good songs. So there's this song called Ganga.
Yeah.
It's
Ganga is
basically
my
a fusion, right? There is no lyrics, it's just the music. So it's very, very mesmerizing. And whenever I listen to it, it just gives me, goosebumps all over the body.
Thanks, thank you.
And I just want, sure, it's absolutely, this is what the definition of music is. It's beautiful. I just wanted to know, because it's been more than 10 years, I guess, 2001 to now 2014. It's been 14 years for you guys as a band. Congratulations.
Actually,
And,
1999.
1999. Actually, Sumit.
99.
Yeah.
Right. So it's more than that. So how you guys, so there are many members who've been coming and going, right? So you recently have a great guy here, the young guy, the 23-year-old great guy who's been, really singing. The way he was singing was really, really nice. So how do you still keep, how do you still manage to have the same kind of, the essence of your band? How do you still have it? Because so many people are coming in, coming out. So doesn't it mix with the personality, and then the band changes its whole idea of what Brigya actually is?
Yeah, I think that's a very interesting question. Like, how do you retain the essence of the band?
Well, there haven't been many major changes in lineup. Agreed that Jagtinder joined us last year, but he's put in a lot of effort, and he's really showing good promise for the future. And before that, I must say the previous lineup change was myself. That was in 2006. Apart from that all the band members are the same.
Yeah.
And also, like I said earlier, it's about friendship, and it's about, being open mind. Not to do commercial stuff, just, wanted to do our sort of music. So that's why we don't want to change, the sound.
The second question which I wanted to ask you, like with the quest, like your name suggests, right? So where do you want to take this musical journey if you see 20 years down the line? Where do you see what eventually, besides giving the word great music which you guys are giving, what else, is there any message attached to the band? Like every band has some sort of thing, right? They have peace, they have humanity, or this or that. Do you also have, in some sense, a message which you guys would want to give out?
I think the message, you can say it's like, do good music, peace, love, and also respect for, each other. That's...
Okay, there's one very interesting fact about Brigya. I mean, the name, how the name of the band was, eventually.
Basically, it was a confusion.
Yeah, so just share the story with us. It's pretty funny, I mean.
Actually, Neil saw this movie of Mithun Chakravarti, Mrigaya. So he was like, oh man, we should call our band Mrigaya, So the drummer, Rajat Kakkar, so he was sending band's profile to some festival.
Yeah.
So by mistake, he just wrote Mrigaya. So it went. So
that was a
became
typo,
Mrigaya.
and then you guys just decided to keep that, retain Mrigaya instead of Mrigaya.
No.
Yeah.
So
That's interesting. Okay, Sumit, do you have any song request?
Well, I don't know if you would be able to play the song Ganga for me, because that would be like dream come true, as long as I have you guys here.
yeah, unfortunately we can't play that because mainly the violin player is not here, and not the whole band.
Yeah. Unfortunately, so anything else?
Yeah, we will do one famous folk number from Rajasthan.
Any
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. The most welcome to you.
Yeah, sure.
It will be fine, I think.
Yeah,
Kesaria.
yeah, sounds interesting.
केसरिया जिबाल मावे केसरिया पधारो मारे दे पधारो मारे दे पधारो मारे दे केसरिया
Singing there. It's nice.
Thank you.
So yeah, talking about the band, Gyan, you released your debut album, the Composition of World Harmony in 2010, right? After that, you haven't released any album.
No, we are working on a new album.
Yeah.
Hopefully, which will be out end of this year.
So I mean, tell us about your first album and your second album. How different it is? I mean, have you tried something new to do with the second album?
Yeah, it's a new sound altogether, and a lot of collaborations with very good musicians from abroad.
So I mean, but have you thought about any names for the album?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, but it'll be out end of this year.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll look forward to that. Okay, Ravi.
Yes, you say. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So,
Yeah.
what kind of music do you listen to?
I'm more of blues and jazz oriented.
So that's why you like Mrigya.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
They
got
smell
that.
of the earth, actually.
Sorry?
They smell of the earth, so they really smell of the earth. So
Hmm.
that's something that attracts me to them.
And how's the you're calling from Imphal, right? So how's the music
Yes.
scene in Imphal there? What kind of music do people listen to?
Mostly, it's more on the heavier side. You can call it psychedelic metal and so on, as the new generations love it over here.
Mm-hmm.
But then there are people like us who's on the more softer end
Mm-hmm.
of the spectrum in music. So we have blues lovers, we have electronic music form of listeners.
Mm-hmm.
So my choice basically. There's no end to music. But the majority of the young generation that I see out here is more of a metal influenced crowd.
You must tell them to listen to Mrigya. I mean, I'm sure they'll love it.
Yeah,
Because-
I promote any good band that comes up. I mean, right in the past or present, whenever I encounter any good artist from any part of the world, I try and make sure that I share it with people. And then music is something that needs sharing. It's not a personal collection.
Mm-hmm.
It needs sharing. So awareness comes up from that end. So I try my best. I share things.
Do you have any requests that we can play later in the show?
I think I did hear a track, Rock the Rag.
Yes.
Radio.
Rock the rag.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if.
But
They
he's not
are,
carrying his electric guitar. So
ready to-
Oh, okay. They won't be able to play Rock the Rag. Sorry, Ravi.
yeah, I'm sure. I mean, I do not see many band members today. I think there are only 3.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Only 3, and we are hoping that soon we will play in Imphal live for you people.
Yeah, sure. Please come down. We'll try and arrange an event for you.
Yeah, you must do that, Ravi. You must take the initiative and get Mrigya there, and then just spread the word around about Mrigya there in Imphal.
Well,
I
we
think
have
in the whole
already
of
got,
Northeast. In fact.
Well, we have already got Parikrama, and then we got Chintan's new band, Pink Floyd, already
Floyd,
in Imphal.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll try and get Mrigya as well. Why not?
Thanks.
Okay, Ravi. All the best.
Thank you.
Okay, Asma, can I have
Thank you
Asma?
all.
Hello, Asma.
Yeah,
Yeah, hi.
I have a request.
Yeah, please go ahead.
I want Tender to sing my favorite song.
And which one would that be?
That is, do you know that song Abhi Na Jao Chhodkar?
It's
That's
Rafi's
my
number.
favorite
Yeah.
song.
Abhi na jao chhod
अभी
ke.
ना जाओ छोड़ के.
Yeah, so can you play it in a fusion style?
Can we do that?
Maybe if you know it.
I
Just
know.
sing 2 lines otherwise.
Yeah.
This is for you only.
This is for you, Asma.
Thank you much.
अभी न जाओ छोड़ के ये दिल अभी भरा नहीं.
That's it, Asma.
Oh, you have to sing more.
Thank
Oh,
you.
she's saying you have to sing more.
I don't know the full song, that's why I'm.
He doesn't know the full song, Asma. I'm so sorry.
Gyan sir doesn't know.
Sorry?
You people can like, Gyan sir must be knowing.
No,
this lyric.
I can play the beat. I don't know how to sing. Actually, that's that's why I'm playing tabla.
Okay. Can you sing?
Thank you so much for one line.
Asma, can you sing? Do you sing?
This is only for
no,
you.
I'm very talented. No.
Sorry?
No, cannot.
But do you sing otherwise?
No.
You don't sing at all.
No.
I-
Very bad voice I have.
It's okay. We all are. Can you sing something
No,
for us?
I can't sing in front of such a great singer who's sitting. So he has got like good vocals here. No.
Okay. Can I have Sumit then?
Hello.
Hi, Sumit.
Hi,
Sumit, do you sing? Don't tell me you don't sing too.
no, I'm just too ashamed to sing in front of.
Come on, everyone sings. Don't tell me that you don't sing.
At least a line.
You know, Gyamsa, I mean, there's something I just wanted to say. You look really, really humble. You know, the kind of.
I think I am.
So I was, I genuinely, I would feel really, really happy. You know, if you guys can just perform anything which you guys out of your choice, because there is no end.
No, we will do the next number, which is very famous Sufi number. I think
Okay.
I'm sure
They
you
have saved
like
the
it.
best for the last, Sumit.
Oh, that's awesome.
Which I'm sure you also can sing along.
Which one can I sing? I just cannot sing.
No, at least you can hum. You know.
I can hum. I can try actually. So you really want? Like, you guys are really serious on this?
Yeah.
Of course.
Why not?
We are serious, Sumit.
So okay. So anything which you guys would want, I can sing it for you. I mean,
As you said, I'm a humble person. You would say humble request.
Okay, can Azma and Ravi hum along?
Yeah.
It's a very famous.
It's a very popular song.
Yeah, famous Sufi song.
okay.
Nire gare gama gama dari sa ni da pa ma gama re nire sa हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो बला झूले लालण सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबा दमादम अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर हो लाल मेरी पत रखियो बला झूले लालण सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबा दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर हो लाल मेरी ओ चार चिराग तेरे बलने हमेशा 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 पंजवा में बालन आइया बला झूले लालन ओ पंजवा में बालन ओ पंजवा में बालन आइया बला झूले लालन सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबा दमादम अली दा पहला दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर ओ लाल मेरी ओ रे रे दबा रे दबा रे दबा मा दबा मा गा मा दा नि दबा रे रे दा 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 रे दबा रे दबा मा दा पा मा गा मा दा नि दा गा मा दा नि दा नी दा नि दबा मा दा पा मा गा मा गा रे सा पा मा गा मा गा रे पा मा गा मा गा रे सा रे सा चार चिराग तेरे बलने हमेशा चार चिराग तेरे बलण हमेशा पंजवा में बालन आइया बला झूले लालन पंजवा में बालन पंजवा में बालन आइया बला झूले लालन हो सिंदरी दा सेवन दा सखी शाबाश दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर ओ लाल मेरी मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालन सिंधड़ी दा सेवन दा सखी शाबाश दमादम अली दा पहला दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर
Wow, it's such a bliss to listen to such powerful and soulful, singing after hard days of work. I'm sure my producer and my camera person agree with me. What do you have to say, Ravi?
Amazing. That was
thank you.
one of the best Dulbandi I have ever heard.
Yeah,
Lovely.
it's amazing. I loved it. So, Ravi, we have almost come to the end of our show. Your last thoughts and comments before I wrap up the show?
Sure, I think I would love to see Mirkia perform more and more and give us more good music.
And your last wish would be come and perform in Imphal, right?
Yes, certainly.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you so much for joining us in India Post Live. Can I have Azma?
Likewise.
Yeah, thank you, Ravi. Yeah, Azma, last thoughts and comments.
One thing I want to tell this band is they have added a fan of theirs in the name of Asma. So I am a big time fan of yours from now. I will listen to you. I will download whatever I can do. I mean, this is really good.
Don't download the song. Get the album. This is the album. I got my copy. Please go and get your copy. Yeah, don't
this
download.
person is really good in his vocals. I mean, what are you doing? I mean, you are just 23. I just can't believe you're 23.
Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
your voice is really good. And come and perform someday in Bombay.
I'm just a kid. I'm not a very big. Thank you
I
for
will
such
come
a nice
come
compliment.
myself and cheer for you in the first row itself.
So Ravi will arrange for their show in Imphal and you do that in Mumbai, right?
Cool.
Yeah.
I'm in for it.
Yeah, so we have a deal now. Thank you, Azma. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sumit?
Yeah,
Yeah.
It was soul enriching. What can I say more? It went right through my heart. So guys, just keep doing what you guys are doing. It's great music, and definitely for me, I started to have my inclination towards fusion because of you guys. I started listening to your songs. So I think I'm going to keep following you for a long time now. So
Yeah.
just keep producing good music. All the best.
Sure. Thanks.
Thank you,
Thank
Sumit.
you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sumit. Okay,
Thank
guys.
you so much.
We have come to the end of our show. So before I wrap up, your last, a piece of advice that you would like to give to the new generation band.
And I'll say keep doing good music and respect for other musicians too, for other in general people also, and have peace
Yeah.
and learn properly. That's one of the most thing I want to say.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you,
Thank
Gyan.
you.
Thank you, Jaktinder. Thank you, Karan, for coming to India Post Live. And it's such an honor to have you guys, today. I mean it.
No.
Thank you so much for
Thank you so
sharing
much.
your music
Thank you
with
so
us.
Thank you.
Well, the conversation does not end here. The conversation continues on India Post Live. You can go to our site. You can go to our site and leave your comments and video comments there. You can also go to our Twitter handle and post your comments there. You can also go to our Facebook page and leave your comments there. Well, we'll be back next week with another band. Thank you for watching the show and good night.